In this video, we will cover the basics of logo design. We will discuss how to use symbols, color, typography, and shapes to create a successful logo design. We will also analyze successful logos from top brands and dig into other important considerations when designing and using logos. Let's get started. A great logo has to represent a company and a business and represents its brand personality. Logo designs need to relay credibility, recognition, and expertise. The three types of logo design are trademarks, logomarks, and logotypes. A trademark is a designed name or symbol used by a business. A logomark is a combination of type and graphics. And logotype is a name constructed out of unique typography or lettering. Next, let's talk about some important aspects of designing a logo. Symbolism. When selecting elements of a design, you need to make sure each element in the design is conveying meaning. Let's break down the design elements and symbolism behind each of these logos. The red cross. The symbol is red, which says emergency and aid. Lowe's. It's in the shape of a house or a structure to relay home improvement. Panera bread feels organic. There are varied line weights, feels painted, and the symbol is of a woman cradling bread like it's precious. American Airlines. A wing of a plane is overlapping a red and blue line, which nods at the American flag and also resembles the letter A. Shapes. If you look at popular logos, you're going to see lots of squares, circles, ovals, triangles. So that's always a good place to start with your logo design. Start with some shapes that might bring extra meaning and symbolism to your design. Here's a grid of logos for several companies you might recognize. You can start to see similarities between logos in shapes, colors, fonts, and styles. Typography. The style of your type can really change the feeling and the mood of your logo. So you need to make sure you're choosing fonts that connect with the concept that you're after. If you're creating a logo with type and a symbol, you want to keep the typeface simple so that the symbol can carry the communication load. So let's analyze the type in these three logos. Starbucks has a sans serif font. It's very bold, feels very confident, just like their coffee. Toblerone, that's a multifaceted style. So like their chocolate, which has many layers to the flavor, it has very interesting serifs. And the type, along with the symbol, feels very European because they are a Swiss chocolate brand. Tostitos. The type in this logo is very fun. There's literally a party going on inside the logo. Color. The right color can really drastically change the mood of your logo. So choosing color wisely is very important. Usually you don't want more than 3 colors. Usually somewhere between 1 color and 3 colors in a logo is all you need. Implementation. A very important part of logo design is thinking about all the ways that your logo might be used while you're designing it. So you may need different versions, such as a horizontal version, a stacked version. You might need color variations as well. So a full color, a 1 color version, grayscale, black, white. These are just a few of the common logo variations that brands often need in their brand toolkit. Cultural considerations. Are your colors or something in your logo possibly offensive to another culture? These are things you need to research, especially if you're working on an international brand. You want to make sure your logo can be understood across cultural barriers. And in that case, a symbol in the logo often works best. Logo trends. Logo design trends change over time. Logos now are much more flat in their design. Avoid creating a logo that is heavily based on current trends. Legal considerations. If there's a chance that your logo could be confused with another brand or another company, then you could be liable for a lawsuit or getting sued. You need to do extensive research to make sure a design that's similar to yours is not already in the marketplace. So some important logo usage guidelines. You never want to stretch a logo. You never want to take any liberties like changing colors to someone else's logo that's not already in their brand toolkit. If there is a brand guide available, always refer to the brand guide before putting a logo on anything. It should detail exactly how to use the logo. Lastly, remember a logo is only one part of a brand's identity. So you have to make sure the logo looks great on everything that the logo touches. So on the website, on promotional materials, you have to make sure the logo looks consistent in all places. So check out some other videos on my channel that relate to logo design, such as the creative process, typography, and design principles. Follow Cry Studio to learn more about graphic design. Thanks so much.